Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So subscribe if you have not subscribed. On this day, as you all know, I'm on vacation with my boyfriend. So today we had breakfast. I was having breakfast. Is this even breakfast? But just to break our fast, we had to take bread and juice, and the plan was to dress up and go to for a boat cruise. So I didn't know anywhere. Of course, this was me dressing up. So I and my girlfriend already started having conversations of, I was asking her how boat cruise works in Lagos, because I've had one like a long time ago. Here I was just recording my boyfriend, don't mind me. So she told me what to do, and we're supposed to go pick her up while we're on our way to, make arrangements for the boat cruise. So this is the slippers that I'm wearing, and I was confused on which bag to carry. So I checked this bag. I was thinking that I really forced in a lot of things on the bag. So I was considering to carry this other bag, but along the line, I saw that this bag is too soft to carry for a boat cruise. So I decided that, what, I'm going to just stick with the one that I am carrying already. So at the end of the day, I had to return this bag to the wardrobe, and then here I was just making a video of myself and so here we're going to pick my girlfriend up, and she was directing us on how to get to her house. See how fine you're looking though. So we stopped by at a popular restaurant in Lekki to have some food. So yeah, because we've not had any food for like since morning. Oh, we have to carry it. There, at the edge. Is it bad? So after having the food, I had to ask my girlfriend where we can get drinks and any other thing we can eat while on the boat. So we headed to the mall to get something. Okay. It's not the section down there. I'm saying that before that time, you get than the hot one. Even if it gets cold, it will not be so cold.
Let's get cool something.
Yes, one wine. Oh, man, I need quite sexy. I mean, my eye. And we need disposable cups since they don't provide anything. Call him. Abi, does she?
Best enjoy it when it's cool.
Wow, this place is big, oh. I like the view of the place. It's like it's a big one. After buying wine and disposable cup, we had to go to another place to get chicken wings and some other snacks that we might want to eat. So here we headed to the boat, like to the area where the boat is, after booking online and confirming our booking, and and getting every other small thing that we need. So we headed to the boat, and we had to drive round and round, but we later located it.
Yes, like you can slow down. Let's confirm that Olivia.
So we waited for the particular boat that we booked to arrive because some cruisers went to cruise around with the boat. So we had to wait for like almost 1 hour, 30 minutes for the boat to arrive. Sorry, can I ease myself? It's very important to me. Where? Okay, there. Yeah.
My chicken is even
Oh, okay. Eh? Baby, where that thing? Don't lose it.
Throw my. I be throw money.
Hey.
Which one I play for you?
Hey. This is when you're sitting there like mother.
your boat don't get any form of sound. Only some
Okay, battery.
That would be the fun part of it.
Baby, where is the power bank? Okay. Where is our stuff? Because
Have you done a video of it?
hello, baby.
Right, they're supposed to go to the top.
Abi, yeah, and I'm telling her, let's stay at the top.
Let's eat first. Are we going to go there with the food?
Yes, now, that's why I talk about it. Yes,
Where is the space to eat it?
there's space at the top. I be there. Shall we?
It should be on top of the
Now, right? I beg. Because I'm late. I don't understand this. Yes. He even got up from here at some point.
Expense, I'm not.
Hey, no, no.
Huh?
What number there? Are you a whiskey fan?
Ah, okay. I don't like the song.
I didn't get. But January, she said, I should not go big and if my boyfriend is giving me food, she does not want to hear story. Then she know.
To rent is how much?
Lagos is a beautiful place to see at night if you can afford a boat cruise.
For renting?
For rent, not buy 12 for 2 bedrooms. Without agency fee. No caution, no legal. 12 million.
Let me see it now. I'm saying now.
Why not stay there?
Yeah? You can't stay there now.
You will not this place. You will be a government official.
See the guy says so is this.
To be a government official. They use those kind of fence in Abuja now. Maybe all this Metama. They use those kind of fence in Metama.
No, I'm saying what the guy did.
The way he did it, yes. So the water is back here. Exactly, water is back here. This water, I'll go see for my people as well.
What do I do?
Foodie. I'm recording this, everybody.
Baby, don't keep my Somebody call the papa. This love, we gon' make me commit your man.
You asked me if I enjoyed the boat cruise. I would say in the beginning I was scared, but if you ask me on a deeper level, I want to go for this boat cruise again.
Now, wow. So people get money for this time. Well, we'll get there, sir. It's material thing. It's achievable. It's achievable. It's material thing. So this one is what? It's not on Mela Bridge. Eh? Eh?
My phone? Huh? Ah, for sure.
This one. Lagos is fine. Lagos is fine.
This is the most beautiful view I've ever seen in a very long time, ever since I was born. I'm not joking. So, and I was enjoying every bit of it. And yep.
What's that? Oriental Hotel.
This is Ace Gucci sneakers, not no Jordans. I'm a special nigga, baby, I ain't home. Let's get it on my chest, why down?
sitting on his ass, watch her go get it. If I used to serve her baby dad, you know I hit his back. Run off on your stupid ass next time, you don't know the tab. Niggas ain't got money, I know swag. They can't make me crash. Let my brody score, I threw the pass.
So yeah, we're almost done like sightseeing, and we're headed back to where we first took off. So we had to prepare ourselves to come down from the boat.
I ended up with your car. What? What did you say?
Where all the urine lies.
Okay, it's all these people. It's all these people. I'm telling you.
Are you sleeping?
No, sir.
So we headed back to the restaurant to grab dinner before we head home.
You put the veggies for me very well. I like that.
Make sure this appraisal will be nice. Maybe you cannot do it. It's work. I'm just used to it.
So here we were home, and I was trying to check some of the things that we didn't eat that we got from the mall, and some of personal items like face masks that I got because I love buying face masks, and also to try to eat something before going to bed. So yep, this is the face mask that I bought. It's an anti-aging face mask. It has pomegranate in it. So pomegranate in it. So yes, so guys, that was all about the boat cruise. Subscribe to my channel, guys. If you love my videos, leave a comment and tell me what you think. Bye.